The hand-supported weight plate sissy squat is an effective way to add resistance to the sissy squat to further target the quadriceps muscles, particularly the rectus femoris. Despite the knees extending over the toes, when executed with proper form, sissy squats can contribute to knee strengthening and enhance knee stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand beside a sturdy object like a squat rack while holding a weight plate. Position your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward. Grip the sturdy object with one hand for support while holding the weight plate against your chest with the other hand. Maintain a neutral neck position and engage your core muscles to stabilize your torso throughout the exercise. Shift your weight onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground to balance on your toes. Slowly lower your body by bending your knees, simultaneously leaning your torso back slightly. Keep your back straight and chest up as you descend, ensuring your knees align with your toes. Lower yourself as far down as is comfortable, feeling a stretch in your quadriceps while maintaining balance. Push through the balls of your feet and extend your knees to return to the starting position, minimizing the use of your hand to assist in the movement. Straighten your knees at the top of the movement as you squeeze your quadriceps. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.